Marriott Restaurant Hotel. Coffee na yun.
Coffee ka?
Coffee. Hindi coffee. Cafe.
Cafe. Oh, some
Mention, of course.
Of course.
We're waiting for our order. Guwapa na to dali ulit.
Yeah, because of the lighting.
Yeah. Cheers! Oh, Luxembourg, ha? At Gatrigo, Luxembourg! We're here na sa among hotel room,
Yes.
and then among leftover ganina sa McDonald's, and of course mga
Chicken nuggets.
yeah, and cheese.
Cheese nuggets.
Dayon syempre kainan na naman while watching our TV nga maghapon. Cheers naman. Lamit na. Maski bugnaw.
Lami ang leftover.
Pag may leftover, kainin na. Lami unta ning halang-halang kanina sa atong gipang inom. Perfect ta na sana itong ganang tawag dito. So tawag anang pulutan ba?
Pika-pika.
Kung itong gi-order ganina sa McDonald's, lami dito pang pika-pika no.
Kadto may pang kuan jud, pang
Nadilig ko ka gutuman mo.
Kaya na kay choices.
Snack box kaayo ba no? Lami. Lami.
Waiting for our
Uber.
our time to fly.
Our flight. I'm sure sa girl.
Our flight. Going back to the Netherlands.
The expensive country.
Yeah.
Lami lagi, try lagi itong lightning diri no. Wapa kita